Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to Palette Throwback Thursdays. In today's video, I'm going to be pairing together the Tarte Tartelette, just like clay matte neutral palette, with the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Yellowtails. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I pair these two products together, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a tiny little pencil brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, Multitasker. And I'm going to start off by working this kind of slightly above my crease in my inner corner, and we're going to keep it really tight. Like really small, and with each shade we're going to kind of pull it out a little bit farther. So we're going to start probably right about there. I might pull it out a little bit farther. We'll kind of see where the vibe takes me. And then next up, I'm going to take a slightly larger but still very small little blending brush, and I'm going to dip into the next shade over, which is Dreamer, and just start blending above this shade and next to this shade. And now into a slightly larger but still very small fluffy brush into next shade over, Force of Nature, and I'm just going to blend this bitch out. Alright, really quick, I'm going to take my big fluffy brush that I used to set my brow bone, and I'm going to dip into that bottom like bone shade, Supermom, and just run this over the top edges and this outer edge up here. Next up, I'm going to go into the Stila, and I'm going to start out by carving right underneath, and then kind of filling in and diffusing out towards the outer corner. And then really quick, back into the Tarte palette, I'm going to take a blending brush into the shade right here, Free Spirit. And I'm just gonna make sure I have all of the primer that's on my eyes covered. I'm gonna kind of blend this into Yellowtails so that it's nice and diffused. Alright, super simple eye look that looks really good once everything is all said and done. Big wing, and then underneath the eyes, you want to do the inverted of here. So we'll focus that on the outer corner. But I'm gonna go do that, put on my base, and I will be back to continue working on this look. Alright, so for my bronzer, I went in with the Maybelline City Bronzers. And for my blush, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Revlon Skin Lights highlighter in the shade Daybreak Glimmer. Alright, I'm going to jump off and finish up the rest of my face. For my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Ulti-matte like lipstick in the shade More Blonde, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Side note, look at how fucking pretty this lipstick is. Like, I'm obsessed with this lipstick formula. Anyways, this is the final look. I love the way that this look turned out. This is one of my favorite like ways to do my eyeshadow, just like really heavy on the inner corner, heavy again on the outer corner, big wing, big lashes. It's just, I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it kind of like accentuates the shape of my eyes. And I just like that it's like a little bit different. I've seen quite a few people do this eyeshadow style now, and I'm not saying that like I fucking invented it, because I absolutely did not. But I just think that it's like, it's different than your standard like deep on the outer corner, you know, like blending into the crease, and then just like a shimmer on the inner corner. So I like it. I'm a fan. And I'm definitely a fan of Yellowtails. Honestly, I am shocked, utterly fucking shocked that Yellowtails is still like usable. I've had it for quite some time, which is to say something, because I feel like a lot of the Stila glitter and glow and glisten and glows and all the shimmer and glows and fucking, well, not the glisten and glows, those are brand new, but the the Stila shimmer and glows and glitter and glows like used to dry up so quickly on me. I went through so many because they would just, I would get through like half of it and then it would just be completely dry and like unusable. So I'm shocked. Like I swatched it on my hand before I started filming this video, because I was like, do I need to like make an adjustment here, like pull in something new or something? But it worked out nicely, so I am pleased. But that is going to wrap up today's video and my palette throwback Thursday using the Tarte Tartelette palette and the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Yellowtails. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm pretty sure that this palette's probably gonna make its way into my like project pan at some point. So there's just not a lot that like can be done with it. And it's so interesting because I'll look at this palette and I'll be like so uninspired by it. It smells so good though. Ow, my fucking ankle bone. Ow, dude. Anyways, ow. I'll look at the palette, like this palette, and I'll be so like uninspired by it and just like not use it because I feel like I can't do a lot with it. But yeah, I have ColourPop Gone Matte, which is an all matte neutral palette, and I'm like, wow, this is the greatest thing ever. Like there's so much to do. So I can't explain what that thought process is, but that's the thought process. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Comment down below and let me know how you would use these two products together. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!